Hey everyone, welcome.
Hey everyone.
Today we got an unboxing for you from Minecraft.
Indeed, the Minecraft box from Loot Crate.
Yes.
This is going to be the last Minecraft version, because like we mentioned in the previous video, they're going over to their own, business, so to speak.
Yeah.
So Minecraft
Loot Crate.
Loot Crate is going to stop with doing Minecraft boxes. I'm curious to see what's in this, because we've been wanting to get this for a while.
Yeah.
And it's finally arrived after a few months wait. So
yeah, it's up to you. You may start.
yeah, let's cut into it.
Yes.
So turn around to open it up, and let's see what's inside. Okay, so we start off with a card, which is, I don't know if you can see it, it's a 3D card. It says Journey to Bedrock. That's the theme of the crate is Bedrock. And it has a lot of text on the back.
Postcard,
yeah. We're not going to read it, but we'll show it in the video.
In the video, yeah.
And you can read it, pause it and read it.
Okay, so
Next to you.
next thing, yeah. And yeah, it's typically a Loot Crate thing.
A t-shirt in every box.
A t-shirt in every box, and
Oh, what's that?
I hope you can see it.
I can. What is it?
Well, it's a bit hard to see this way, but
Yeah, there's some text here, but I don't know what it says.
no, I can't read it.
And it looks like a dog or something? No. I don't know what it is. We'll have to look into it, because it's just some blocks.
we have to look into it.
I don't know what it is.
It's a t-shirt, and the back it's all
Blank? Yes.
Yeah, nothing on the back. So t-shirt, cool.
Yeah, that's okay. So now it shows
I hold it.
a thing that we take off. It says nothing on there.
Nope.
And we've got the pin.
Yeah,
So it's the Minecraft pin.
it's a nice one.
Yeah, it looks nice.
A little bit bigger than normal, I would say.
Yeah, it's a bit bigger than normal. It's just a Minecraft, block, I think.
Yeah.
Gold red. Looks nice.
Cool.
That's the pin.
Then we have, I believe these are some stickers,
Yeah.
and they are the board signs. Never dig straight down, and the other one is blank.
It's blank, yeah.
So you can in-game enter your own text into these signs, and
Yeah.
Cool.
Alright.
Some
Nice.
stickers, nice.
Alright, this is, it says Minecraft Hangers, Series 3. I don't know what it is. Let's see, it's a blind box. And it's a spider. It is a spider hanger.
Yeah, it's really cool.
It looks really nice.
Yeah.
You can wiggle the feet.
The jump
It's
spiders.
the jump spiders, yes. It's
Cool.
it's nice.
Yeah. Well, we'll show it in the frame.
Yeah.
Really cool. Then we have a spongy thing. Ah, it's a block,
A cube. Yeah.
a cube. Yeah.
And I think it's supposed to be the bedrock, so the cube that you can't get through.
Yeah, I think so.
It's the darker tone.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
Is it soft? as well?
Yeah, it's soft. I feel it.
Oh yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Nice cube.
Cool. Oh, there's more than a
There's
block.
more. Yeah, there's another hanger. So I wonder which one this is. And it's the character
Yeah.
Steve with diamond armor.
Yeah.
This is quite nice. You can move around the arms and stuff. It's
Can you rotate the head as well?
quite detailed. Yeah. Okay. I just noticed that it has the orange hair, so it's the girl. It's not Steve. I don't know what the girl's name is.
We call
But
it
it's
Betsy.
yeah, Betsy. It's the girl with diamond armor. It's nice.
Cool. And oh, well, what do you know? That was quick.
It's empty.
It's empty. Yeah.
All right.
You want to fold it?
Yeah. I think it will fold into
If
bedrock.
can you fold it?
Yeah.
What do you think of it?
I think it's quite a good,
It's a nice box.
nice box.
Yeah.
Overall, I think it's not much more or better than a normal loot crate.
No, I think it is because I like Minecraft better.
Yeah, I do too. But
Yeah.
you also pay twice the price for it.
Oh yeah, that's another thing. It's
Yeah,
way
and
more expensive than
it's
the,
way more
the regular
expensive,
loot crates.
yeah.
Yeah.
And I think the quality of items is about the same as a normal loot crate. It's not really.
Well, normally you would get one key hanger and
Yeah.
kind of the same items.
Yeah, it's about the same
quality
that you would
Yeah.
expect in the normal loot crate.
Yeah.
But you pay twice the price probably because of the name. It's Minecraft. It's exclusive.
Yeah, it's popular. Yeah.
Yeah. But overall, a good box.
Yeah, we wanted to get this one a Minecraft box, really. So
Yeah.
I think it's nice, and what you got, it's a little bit of collector's items.
Yeah,
You could
it's,
say
yeah,
that.
they are
Yeah.
collector's
Like
items.
your key hangers and stuff,
Yeah.
and this little cushy thing. It's nice. I think
It's nice.
Yeah, we're gonna leave it at this. If you have any comments, suggestions, maybe some advice, please leave them down in the comment section. If you want to see more for videos, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!
Bye.